Hey guys, so welcome to Bella's first birthday vlog. I'm beginning with like some advanced preparations for you. Oh shoot, I just noticed her picture fell off her nursery wall because she likes to grab it. Hi Bella! Hi baby girl! So, her birthday is 2 weeks away. Her birthday is actually September 1st. It's on Labor Day weekend, and that's the day of her party. It kind of worked out perfectly because it's on a Sunday of a long weekend. We're going to have a Moana themed birthday party at my husband's restaurant, which is really convenient because we can just kind of sit up and do whatever we want. So I'm going to show you a couple of things that I bought ahead of time, and I'm going to start with her outfit. So she's going to be a little baby Moana. So they have some really cute ones, but they're all like big girl sizes, like the Moana costumes. Nothing really for babies. But I did find a really cute baby swimsuit. So this is a top. If you haven't seen our invitation picture on Instagram, it's on my Instagram at Makeup by Renren. But she wore this little bikini. And I'm going to use the top again, as well as a little necklace with the, you know, the little stone from the movie. And she's going to wear this and a custom made tutu by my aunt and my mom. So on Etsy they were selling these outfits for like 55 bucks. I was like, I think we could make a tutu, and it's pretty simple. You just like really knot some tulle like over and over and over. So this is what it looks like. So here's the skirt just sitting here. So my aunt made it out of the material, which was tulle with these little rhinestones. And then she bought these little flowers that match it nicely. And my mom sewed these little flowers on the tulle. Isn't that pretty? So she's gonna wear this little outfit right here. It kind of goes with the, you know, the light colored seashells match the bottom, with, like I said, the necklace and the little flower in her hair, and probably some gold jelly sandals from Old Navy. I'll try to insert a picture of like the inspired outfit from Etsy if you do want to order it or look at it. So let me show you. These are probably the jellies she'll wear from Old Navy because they kind of match like the little gold flowers, and they're kind of sandally. So she's over here running amok. Running amok, Bella. So yeah, there is one more thing I wanted to show you. Okay, so here's the next craft project we're going to use. And all this stuff is stuff we can put in her nursery when we're done. But basically it's just like a collage frame. And it has multiple picture slots. So I'm going to put a picture from, you know, each month where I took pictures of her. And this is like 5 and 6 months, for example. And I'm going to put it like here. And my aunt got this from Ross. Look how cute. So in the middle of these letters, we're just going to put like happy birthday, happy first birthday, Bella, or something like that. And we can update these, you know, but we'll definitely hang this in her nursery when we're done. A lot of my friends took pictures and they like used them on like a clothesline with clothespins and made like a little banner, which is really cute. But this frame is also really nice. Maybe if I have some extra of these flowers over here, I might put them on the frame temporarily just to kind of match. I bought these inflatable balls from Amazon. I also have a very cheap baby swimming pool that we got for Ross for like $6. We're going to make like a little ball pit for the babies to sit in and have fun, which is like going to be great for the little ones who aren't really able to play with like real games. For the adults and the kids at the party, we will have like life-size Jenga, like large Jenga Connect 4 big playing cards, which my husband has at his restaurant. These are just like wooden letters from Hobby Lobby, and like a number 1. So I bought these flowers from orientaltrading.com, which is an amazing site. Here's a box, Oriental Trading. Can you see? So we're going to hot glue these on and kind of put these on her cake table or use them as decoration. The flowers, I bought them just without the stem, so it was kind of convenient. So I think this is what we're going to do, and luckily there are 4 colors for the 4 different letters. I'm going to do cupcakes for the kids. I'm having a small cake and just like cupcakes to save money. But these are from Amazon. They're just kind of like, you stick them in the cupcake, so you can just buy like a plain cupcake and not have to buy fancy ones. But this is like Moana symbols, like the ocean sign. We have like some sparkly leaves, hibiscus flowers. There's like the little, the boat. This is Maui's hook. So if you know the movie, you recognize these little things. And then I'm going to do gift bags for the kids. So inside the gift bags, we have these hibiscus, like little cloth totes. Rubber duckies with the little lays on them. And then we have little hibiscus slinkies. I bought some Moana stickers. So most of the stuff is from Oriental Trading. And the only other things I didn't buy from Oriental Trading are the cupcake toppers and the balls. And then I bought these forks and napkins and plates, which were half off at Oriental Trading. Forgot to show, these are kind of little teeny bubbles that look like pineapples. So these are so cute. So these aren't really baby safe, so the adults will have to supervise the kids using these. But I try to get kind of baby safe toys for the kids because a lot of them are young. But yeah, I forgot to show that. So we finished a project. I don't know why she put stickers on there. But this is just a picture frame with the pictures printed out. I showed this to you guys before. So it says, for happy first birthday, Arabella. That's done. We are working on the high chair skirt. So this will just wrap around the high chair, so when she does her smash cake. So my friend donated this skirt from her baby's birthday. And I made it like Moana themed by having the flowers. My aunt glued these flowers. So we just use these flowers on a bunch of places. And I'm going to also attach this picture of Moana and these letters, O-N-E. And I just got this free, printed off the internet. These are the flowers. I was telling you that we have a bunch of them, so we glued them to other things. Thank you. And then I'm going to show you what else we have. We're going to use the swimming pool and this ball pit. Pretty much, I got the balls from Amazon for the babies. And then here are the letters that we glued the flowers to too. So this is a 1. Painted the letters green. There's 1. There's my baby's feet. There's a T, so it spells her initials out. And then, what else we got in here? These are all the little baby goodie bags. So we filled them up, and they're just kid size. This is like perfect size for a toddler. And that's it. So I'll keep you guys updated when more is done. I've been kind of like, over the last week, like slowing down my pumps, so that way today will be like the last pump in the morning, and I can kind of not be engorged, and I can just kind of, I've been weaning myself off of breast pumping essentially. So Bella woke up. I try to keep her on time yesterday with her naps. So she pretty much woke up on time today. I'm going to keep her on time because I want her to nap on time before her party because I don't want her to be cranky. So I just gave her to my mom, my mom, dad, brother are in town. So I'm going to pump for 30 minutes last time in peace. And then I'm going to get her day started, get breakfast started and all that. Now, I had a whole day yesterday where we did some crafts. We blew up the balloon arch. Like, we created a balloon arch using a kit on Amazon, which is so much cheaper than trying to get someone to do that for you. And then my mom did a whole bunch of cooking. She did like macaroni salad Hawaiian style. And then she already made the lumpia, the Filipino egg rolls. And we have to cut up some fruit this morning. And then all we really have to do is meet at noon to set up with a party. I have a lot of family helping to set up, and then I'm going to go back home. I'm going to start them. I'm going to go back home and get ready and get Bella ready, and then we're going to start the party on time. That's my goal because every time I've had an event, like, it's always late, so I'm really trying to get it on time. So I'll show you, like, throughout the day, like, some of that process, and hopefully everything goes well. Everything's been prepped. I think the only variable is to make sure we set up on time because 2 hours isn't that long to set up, but regardless, even if they're not done completely, I'm getting there on time, and that way when guests arrive, we'll be there. So I'll show you. I have our outfits hung up right there in the corner. You see right there. And then I'll show you Bella's outfit, and I'm going to do my hair and makeup too. I was thinking of doing a red lip to match my dress. Where is it? To match my red dress right there. But I was like, oh, I'm probably gonna kiss Bella. I don't know if I should do red, but maybe I'll do like a matte liquid lipstick because I think it will match the dress, but I don't want it transferring on her skin. You gotta think about these things. Do you see these bags? I really should have put on, I should put on this little gel mask that I have. So, I'll take you on the day with me. We made it to the party. Hi. Looks good. Look at Bella.
Hi, say hi, Mommy.
Say hi. Oh, it's so dark. Switch spaces with me so I can see the baby. There. You want cookies? You want cake? Look at this cake. The baby and some cupcakes and cookies. Huh? She's like, what is all this? And then we got a little tiki bar. Hi. Hi, Uncle Ray Ray. Let's go to this. Say hi. Hi. Little ball pit for the kids. Games. Rubber ducky. And then the cake smash area. She don't want to go in the duck?
Touch it? Let's touch it.
Want to go in the ducky, Bella?
You just remember what you asked for you that you
Say hi to YouTube. Say hi, Moana number 1. Moana number 2. Wow, Zara!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Bella. Happy birthday to you. Yay!
Look at your cake, Bella.
Good job.
Give it to me. Give it to me.
This is about to be
Okay, we'll see what happens. Get it, baby. Get it.
You can eat that. You can eat it.
I know. I think I got extra sweet this time.
Yum, yum.
She said that's a little bit messy.
Yum, 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 yum.
That's a little bit messy. Try it. Thank you.
She's like, ew, on my finger.
I don't know if she's gonna like it
You know
messy.
what to do? Yeah. You want a bite?
That's just enough. She's like, nah.
You on a diet? We got you, Bella. It's okay. It's okay. I don't think she's gonna. We might have to cut her a piece.
I'm ready to go.
Are we making this cake cutting a thing?
I don't know. Are we? I don't know.
It's recording.
I was asking if we're making this cake cutting a thing, if she's gonna cut it.
No, none of that's edible. I think all those came in a kit.
End of the vlog. I didn't really vlog that much, but good enough. So we have Uncle and Bella. Bella's all wide awake and we're exhausted, but we're done. I think it was successful. Bella was so cute during her cake smash and her dance and her birthday song. So we cleaned up in about an hour. All that stuff we made at home. Party was from 2 to 4. We got home around 5, so it was good. You have all these presents to go through. So,
I think your card and your gift that.
Separate?
Yeah.
Ooh. Well, hopefully we'll sort everything out.
Well, you know what present I got.
Yeah. Yeah, I know what Ray got. So maybe I'll open some of these with Bella later on when we all feel like we're not exhausted. She doesn't even know what presents are yet, so we'll be opening them and she'll be eating the wrapping paper. But hopefully you guys enjoyed. I am so greasy and sweaty. What, Bella? What is it? Hi, Mama. Did you have a good time? Bella, did you have a good time?
Yep.
Yeah, I had fun. She was such a good baby. She did really well. She let people hold her. She danced. She was talking. She's squirming around. She was walking all over the place. So it was a good time. And the little babies like the ball pit, the pool with the balls. They loved it, and the inflatable ducky. So.
She pooped.
Oh, okay. Time to change. What is that?
I'm about to show you right now.
She just threw out the paper. Oh no, Bella.
She just likes to throw stuff.
What is it?
She's not even looking.
She just wants to
throwing
throw it out.
Look.
Pretty, Bella.
That?
Who's that from? Is there like a thing in there? Or?
No.
Nope. Okay. Ooh, pretty.
Look.
Ooh.
She wants the bag.
Look at those pants too. Those are kind of cute. They're like different. They're like fatigue, not fatigue. You know, like a
Camel almost.
yeah. At least it's a and pink and green go together. Bella, this is not fun up here. This baby trying to get on the couch. Bella, look. What's
look.
that?
Bella.
What's that? Bella.
Want to open it? Here. Take the paper.
See, that's why we didn't open presents at the party. And she's making a getaway.
Come on.
What's that, Bella? Bella, don't care about presents.
Here. It's another leapfrog. Look.
Ooh.
Now you care.
Ooh.
Now you care. Here, press that.
Is that what? Is that from Autumn? Because she said she got her a fridge thing. Who's that from?
Yes, the Val family.
Oh, okay, cool. Guys, so I just wanted to close out this birthday vlog. So I didn't film more. I was like really in the moment and just enjoying the day. But I did get some video clips as well as phone videos, which are super fun and like hilarious of her birthday smash cake and dancing. So it was exhausting, but actually pretty well planned and stress-free for the most part. So I just spent the day after her birthday cleaning up. Like, she got so many presents that I was like, whoa. So cleaning up presents. Here's some of the stuff that she got. Like just a bunch of clothes. We have toys that we put up. We're going to just keep some of the toys like packaged because some of them are for like 2 years up. We'll just keep them for later because she's not going to play with it all right now. But I hope you guys enjoyed. If you want to see more baby vlogs, let me know in the comments below. Please like this video and subscribe. And until next time, we'll see you later. Ciao, Bellas.